Good morning, everybody. Today is March 16th, 2021. And we are moving on. So yesterday we did page 153. No, we did 154 yesterday. We did this page right here. Okay, today we're going to work on just some vocab, get some vocabulary done. And get that turned in. So today will be pretty short and sweet. As of now, there will not be a do now. Okay, so don't worry about the do now. All right, let's take a look at these vocab words. So first thing that I would like you to do, so look at the word disturb, mark it 1, 2, 3, or 4. 4 means that you know it very well. 1 means that you've never even heard that word before. Okay, so somewhere in between would be that yes, you've seen it, you've heard it, you've maybe used it a little bit. Okay, the next word is participate, 1 through 4. Podium, 1 through 4. Rebellion, 1 through 4. And sacrifice, 1 through 4. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the responses up here. Zoom in a bit. Okay. So to disturb, the word disturb means to cause someone to feel upset, frustrated maybe. Okay, so to disturb someone is to cause someone to feel upset. All right, the sign on the door fence said, "Do not disturb the sleeping baby animals." Okay, so do not disturb the sleeping baby or the animals. Okay. To participate means to join others in an activity. Okay, so to join, I'm going to put this up there so that everybody can see it if needed. To join others in an activity. Okay, and then I want you to come up with your own sentence over here. Okay, to participate. Okay, the word podium, you guys know what that is, right? So like a podium is what you stand up to in church to give a talk, or that you stand up to at school, like on the stage, if you're running for student body officer or something like that, you stand up to the podium and you give a talk, right? Okay, so it's a raised area that people stand on or speak from so they can be seen and heard in a crowd. Okay, the blank stepped up to the podium and began to blank. Okay, you guys come up with that. Okay, now the word rebellion, an attempt to take control of government or an organization through the use of protest or resistance. Okay, rebellion. So to rebel, you guys have all heard that. We're rebels around here, right? Okay, an attempt to take control of a government or an organization through the use of protest or resistance. Okay, the rebellion was unsuccessful because blank could not blank. Okay, and then finally the word sacrifice, to give up something you want so that you can get or achieve something more important. Okay, so everything takes sacrifice, right? Okay, so to give up something you want so that you can achieve or you can get or achieve something more important. If you want to be a really good basketball player or weightlifter or writer or musician or whatever it may be, you have to make sacrifices, right? Hey, all my friends are going swimming, okay, but I need to practice the piano because I haven't practiced all week long, and I have high expectations of myself. You have to sacrifice the fun for what you want more down the road, right? Okay, that's just kind of an example. Okay. I will sacrifice blank if it means that I can blank. They said, I will sacrifice going outside after school if it means that I can finish my homework early. Okay? All right, we're going to stop right there. No do now, nothing like that. Just get this vocab in today and kind of memorize these words. Okay? Awesome. Have a great day. And reach out if you have any questions at all.